Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel The Knowledge Library. Today we are going to discuss some MCQs on ancient and medieval India. So let us begin. The first question is, the Harappan civilization was located primarily in which modern day country? Option A, India. Option B, Pakistan. Option C, Bangladesh. Or option D, Nepal. The correct answer is option B, Pakistan. The next question is, the Harappan site of Mohenjo-daro is situated along the banks of which river? Option A, Indus. Option B, Ganges. Option C, Yamuna. Or option D, Saraswati. The correct answer is option A, Indus. Moving to the next question. The Vedic civilization is associated with which ancient Indian texts? Option A, Vedas. Option B, Ramayana. Option C, Mahabharat. Or option D, Upanishads. The correct answer is option A, Vedas. Moving to the next question. Who is considered the author of the ancient Indian epic Ramayana? Option A, Valmiki. Option B, Vyasa. Option C, Kalidas. Or option D, Tulsidas. The correct answer is option A, Valmiki. Moving to the next question. The earliest known grammarian of the Sanskrit language was? Option A, Panini. Option B, Kalidas. Option C, Tulsidas. Or option D, Aryabhatta. The correct answer is option A, Panini. Moving to the next question. The Mauryan Empire was founded by? Option A, Chandragupta Maurya. Option B, Ashoka. Option C, Bindusara. Or option D, Chandragupta II. The correct answer is option A, Chandragupta Maurya. Moving to the next question. Which ruler of the Mauryan Empire was known for his propagation of Buddhism? Option A, Ashoka. Option B, Chandragupta Maurya. Option C, Bindusara. Or option D, Chandragupta II. The correct answer is option A, Ashoka. The next question is, the Kalinga War, which had a profound impact on Ashoka, took place in which century? Option A, 3rd century BCE. Option B, 5th century BCE. Option C, 6th century BCE. Or option D, 2nd century BCE. Answer is option A, 3rd century BCE. Moving to the next question. The famous University of Nalanda was located in which Indian kingdom? Option A, Magdha. Option B, Kosala. Option C, Kalinga. Or option D, Vatsa. The correct answer is option A, Magdha. Moving to the next question. The Gupta Empire reached its zenith under the reign of which ruler? Option A, Chandragupta II. Option B, Chandragupta I. Option C, Samudragupta. Or option D, Kumaragupta. The correct answer is option A, Chandragupta II. Moving to the next question. The ancient Indian city of Ujjain was an important center for the study of which discipline? Option A, astronomy. Option B, medicine. Option C, mathematics. Or option D, literature. The correct answer is option A, astronomy. Moving to the next question. The concept of ahimsa, non-violence, is associated with which ancient Indian religious figure? Option A, Mahavira. Option B, Buddha. Option C, Shankaracharya. Or option D, Guru Nanak. The correct answer is option A, Mahavira. Moving to the next question. The Ajanta caves are primarily located in which modern day state of India? Option A, Maharashtra. Option B, Madhya Pradesh. Option C, Karnataka. Or option D, Uttar Pradesh. Moving to the next question. The ancient Indian ruler known as the grandfather of Indian Navy is? Option A, Chandragupta Maurya. Option B, Ashoka. Option C, Samudragupta. Or option D, Kanishka. The correct answer is option A, Chandragupta Maurya. Moving to the next question. The Charaka Samhita is an ancient Indian text primarily focused on? Option A, medicine. Option B, astronomy. Option C, mathematics. Or option D, philosophy. The correct answer is option A, medicine. Moving to the next question. The Natya Shastra, an ancient Indian treatise on performing art, is attributed to? Option A, Bharat Muni. Option B, Kalidasa. Option C, Tulsidas. Or option D, Vishnu Sharma. The correct answer is option A, Bharat Muni. Moving to the next question. The Sangam literature is associated with which ancient Indian kingdom? Option A, Chola. Option B, Chera. Option C, Pandya. Or option D, Pallava. The correct answer is option A, Chola. Moving to the next question. The famous Iron Pillar of Delhi bears an inscription in which ancient Indian script? Option A, Brahmi. Option B, Kharoshthi. Option C, Devanagari. Or option D, Tamil. The correct answer is option A, Brahmi. Moving to the next question. The ancient Indian city of Mathura is associated with the birth of which religious figure? Option A, Krishna. Option B, Buddha. Option C, Mahavira. Or option D, Shankaracharya. The correct answer is option A, Krishna. Moving to the next question. The ancient Indian text Yoga Sutras is attributed to? Option A, Patanjali. Option B, Vyasa. Option C, Shankaracharya. Or option D, Kapila. The correct answer is option A, Patanjali. Moving to the next question. The ancient Indian kingdom of Magda is located in present day? Option A, Bihar. Option B, Uttar Pradesh. Option C, Madhya Pradesh. Or option D, Gujarat. The correct answer is option A, Bihar. Moving to the next question. The Manusmriti, an ancient Indian legal text, is attributed to the mythical figure? Option A, Manu. Option B, Yama. Option C, Varuna. Or option D, Agni. The correct answer is option A, Manu. Moving to the next question. The Rig Veda is composed in which ancient Indian language? Option A Sanskrit. Option B Prakrit. Option C Pali. Or option D Tamil. The correct answer is option B, option A Sanskrit. Moving to the next question. The ancient Indian festival of Durga Puja is primarily associated with which region of India? Option A East India. Option B North India. Option C South India. Or option D West India. The correct answer is option A East India. Moving to the next question. The ancient Indian text Ramayana is traditionally attributed to which sage? Option A Valmiki. Option B Vyasa. Option C Vasishtha. Or option D Vishwamitra. The correct answer is option A Valmiki. Moving to the next question. The Sanchi Stupa is located in which modern day Indian state? Option A Madhya Pradesh. Option B Uttar Pradesh. Option C Bihar. Or option D Rajasthan. The correct answer is option A Madhya Pradesh. Moving to the next question. The ancient Indian text Mahabharata is traditionally attributed to which sage? Option A Vyasa. Option B Valmiki. Option C Vasishtha. Or option D Vishwamitra. The correct answer is option A Vyasa. Moving to the next question. The ancient Indian city of Patliputra was located on the banks of which river? Option A Ganges. Option B Yamuna. Option C Indus. Or option D Narmada. The correct answer is option A Ganges. Moving to the next question. The ancient Indian ruler known for his edicts inscribed on rocks and pillars is? Option A Ashoka. Option B Chandragupta Maurya. Option C Samudragupta. Or option D Kanishka. The correct answer is option A Ashoka. Moving to the next question. The ancient Indian ruler Ashoka embraced which religion after the Kalinga War? Option A Buddhism. Option B Hinduism. Option C Jainism. Or option D Shaivism. The correct answer is option A Buddhism. Moving to the next question. The ancient Indian text Kama Sutra is attributed to? Option A Vasyana. Option B Vyasa. Option C Kalidasa. Or option D Patanjali. The correct answer is option A Vatsayana. Moving to the next question. The Delhi Sultanate was founded by? Option A Muhammad bin Qasim. Option B Qutbuddin Aibak. Option C Muhammad of Ghazni. Or option D Alauddin Khilji. The correct answer is option B Qutbuddin Aibak. Moving to the next question. The famous Qutub Minar in Delhi was built by? Option A Iltutmish. Option B Qutbuddin Aibak. Option C Alauddin Khilji. Or option D Razia Sultan. The correct answer is option B Qutbuddin Aibak. Moving to the next question. The Vijayanagara Empire was founded by Option A. Krishna Devaraya. Option B. Bukkaraya I. Option C. Harihara I. Or option D. Devaraya II. The correct answer is option C. Harihara I. Moving to the next question. Who was the first Mughal emperor of India? Option A. Babur. Option B. Akbar. Option C. Humayun. Or option D. Shah Jahan. The correct answer is option A. Babur. Moving to the next question. The Battle of Panipat in 1526 resulted in the establishment of the Mughal Empire in India by option A. Babur. Option B. Akbar. Option C. Humayun. Or option D. Jahangir. The correct answer is option A. Babur. Moving to the next question. The Mughal emperor who imposed jizya on non-Muslims was option A. Aurangzeb. Option B. Akbar. Option C. Shah Jahan. Or option D. Jahangir. The correct answer is option A. Aurangzeb. Moving to the next question. The Sikh Guru who was executed by Aurangzeb was option A. Guru Nanak. Option B. Guru Angad. Option C. Guru Tej Bahadur. Or option D. Guru Gobind Singh. The correct answer is option C. Guru Tej Bahadur. Moving to the next question. The famous Kohinoor diamond was acquired by the Mughal emperor. Option A. Akbar. Option B. Shah Jahan. Option C. Aurangzeb. Or option D. Babur. The correct answer is option D. Babur. Moving to the next question. Who among the following was the last ruler of the Tughlaq dynasty? Option A. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Option B. Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Option C. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Or option D. Sikandar Lodi. The correct answer is option B. Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Moving to the next question. The Maratha Empire reached its zenith under the leadership of option A. Shivaji. Option B. Balaji Bajirao. Option C. Sambhaji. Or option D. Bajirao I. The correct answer is option A. Shivaji. Moving to the next question. The Battle of Talikota in 1565 resulted in the decline of which South Indian empire? Option A. Vijayanagara Empire. Option B. Chola Empire. Option C. Pallava Empire. Or option D. Hoysala Empire. The correct answer is option A. Vijayanagara Empire. Moving to the next question. Who was the founder of the Bahmani Sultanate? Option A. Alauddin Hassan Bahman Shah. Option B. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Option C. Kutubuddin Aibak. Or option D. Balban. The correct answer is option A. Alauddin Hassan Bahman Shah. Moving to the next question. The founder of the Mughal Empire in India, Babur, belonged to which dynasty? Option A. Timurid dynasty. Option B. Ghaznavid dynasty. Option C. Seljuk dynasty. Or option D. Safavid dynasty. The correct answer is option A. Timurid dynasty. Moving to the next question. The Mughal emperor who introduced the policy of Sulh Kul or universal tolerance was option A Akbar, option B Aurangzeb, option C Shahjahan or option D Jahangir. The correct answer is option A Akbar. Moving to the next question. The capital of the Vijayanagar Empire was option A Hampi, option B Bijapur, option C Golconda or option D Madurai. The correct answer is option A Hampi. Moving to the next question. The Bhakti saint who composed the Sant Charit was option A Tulsidas, option B Surdas, option C Mirabai or option D Kabir. The correct answer is option C Mirabai. Moving to the next question. The Mughal emperor known as Jahangir was originally named option A Salim, option B Khurram, option C Muhyiddin or option D Shahabuddin. The correct answer is option A Salim. Moving to the next question. The Rajput clans mainly inhabited which region of India during the medieval period? Option A Rajasthan, option B Punjab, option C Maharashtra or option D Bengal. The correct answer is option A Rajasthan. Moving to the next question. The administrative system of the Delhi Sultanate was based on the model of option A Persian administration, option B Roman administration, option C Greek administration or option D Chinese administration. The correct answer is option A Persian administration. Moving to the next question. The administrative division of the Vijayanagar Empire was based on the concept of option A Nyankar system, option B Mandalas, option C Zamindari system or option D feudalism. The correct answer is option B Mandalas. Moving to the next question. The Mughal emperor who built the Bibi Ka Maqbara in memory of his wife was option A Aurangzeb, option B Shahjahan, option C Jahangir or option D Aurangzeb. The correct answer is option A Aurangzeb. Moving to the next question. The famous Mysore palace was built during the reign of which ruler of the Wadiyar dynasty? Option A Tipu Sultan, option B Raja Wadiyar, option C Hyder Ali or option D Krishna Raja Wadiyar IV. The correct answer is option B Raja Wadiyar. Moving to the next question. The Portuguese colonial power established their first factory in India at option A Goa, option B Calicut, option C Surat or option D Cochin. The correct answer is option A Goa. Moving to the next question. The Maratha Confederacy emerged as a significant power during the reign of option A Shivaji, option B Balaji Bajirao, option C Sambhaji or option D Bajirao I. The correct answer is option A Shivaji. Moving to the next question. The medieval Indian saint who is known for his devotional poetry in praise of Lord Krishna was option A Surdas, option B Tulsidas, option C Mirabai, or option D Kabir. The correct answer is option A Surdas. Moving to the next question. The Sikh religion was founded by option A Guru Nanak, option B Guru Angad, option C Guru Gobind Singh, or option D Guru Tej Bahadur. The correct answer is option A Guru Nanak. Moving to the next question. The Mughal emperor who imposed the jizya tax on non-Muslims was option A Aurangzeb, option B Akbar, option C Shahjahan, or option D Jahangir. The correct answer is option A Aurangzeb. Moving to the next question. The medieval Indian kingdom of Mewar was known for its resistance against which invader? Option A Babur, option B Akbar, option C Alauddin Khilji, or option D Mahmud of Ghazni. The correct answer is option D Mahmud of Ghazni. Moving to the next question. The medieval Indian kingdom of Bengal was known for its flourishing trade with which region? Option A Southeast Asia, option B Middle East, option C Central Asia, or option D Europe. The correct answer is option A Southeast Asia. Moving to the next question. The Maratha leader who was instrumental in expanding Maratha territories in North India was option A Balaji Bajirao, option B Shivaji, option C Sambhaji, or option D Bajirao I. The correct answer is option A Balaji Bajirao. Moving to the next question. The Maratha Empire was founded by option A Shivaji, option B Balaji Bajirao, option C Sambhaji, or option D Bajirao I. The correct answer is option A Shivaji. Moving to the next question. The first battle of Panipat was fought in the year option A 1526, option B 1556, option C 1565, or option D 1601. The correct answer is option A 1526. Moving to the next question. The medieval Indian ruler known as Sher Shah Suri was originally named option A Farid Khan, option B Jalaluddin Akbar, option C Zahiruddin Muhammad Babur, or option D Khurram. The correct answer is option A Farid Khan. Moving to the next question. The Lodi dynasty in India was founded by option A Bahlul Lodi, option B Sikandar Lodi, option C Ibrahim Lodi, or option D Daulat Khan Lodi. The correct answer is option A Bahlul Lodi. Moving to the next question. The medieval Indian kingdom of Gujarat was known for its maritime trade with option A Africa, option B Arabia, option C Southeast Asia, or option D Europe. The correct answer is option C Southeast Asia. Moving to the next question. The literary work Akbarnama was authored by Option A Abul Fazl. Option B Firdausi. Option C Amir Khusrau. Or option D Tulsi Das. The correct answer is option A Abul Fazl. Moving to the next question. The medieval Indian ruler who built the Buland Darwaza at Fatehpur Sikri was option A Akbar. Option B Aurangzeb. Option C Shahjahan. Or option D Jahangir. The correct answer is option A Akbar. Moving to the next question. The medieval Indian ruler known as Tipu Sultan was also referred to as the Tiger of option A Mysore. Option B Bengal. Option C Marathas. Or option D Punjab. The correct answer is option A Mysore. Moving to the next question. The literary work Akbarnama was authored by option A Abul Fazl. Option B Firdausi. Option C Amir Khusrau. Or option D Tulsi Das. The correct answer is option A Abul Fazl. Moving to the next question. The famous Taj Mahal was built during the reign of which Mughal emperor? Option A Shahjahan. Option B Aurangzeb. Option C Akbar. Or option D Jahangir. The correct answer is option A Shahjahan. Moving to the next question. The medieval Indian ruler who established the Maratha Empire was option A Shivaji. Option B Balaji Bajirao. Option C Sambhaji. Or option D Bajirao I. The correct answer is option A Shivaji. Moving to the next question. The medieval Indian kingdom of Golconda was known for its rich reserves of option A diamonds. Option B gold. Option C silver. Or option D copper. The correct answer is option A diamonds. Moving to the next question. The Akbari Mahal in Fatehpur Sikri was built for option A Akbar. Option B Jahangir. Option C Shahjahan. Or option D Aurangzeb. The correct answer is option A Akbar. Moving to the next question. The Mughal emperor who initiated the construction of the Lal Killa or Red Fort in Delhi was option A Shahjahan. Option B Akbar. Option C Aurangzeb. Or option D Jahangir. The correct answer is option A Shahjahan. Moving to the next question. The medieval Indian ruler known as Tipu Sultan was defeated by the British in the option A 4th Anglo-Mysore War. Option B 3rd Anglo-Mysore War. Option C 2nd Anglo-Mysore War. Or option D 1st Anglo-Mysore War. The correct answer is option A 4th Anglo-Mysore War. Moving to the next question. The Rajputs were known for their code of chivalry known as option A Rajdharma. Option B Rajputana. Option C Rajputi. Or option D Rajputana. The correct answer is option D Rajputana. Thank you for watching our videos. If you like our videos, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our YouTube channel, The Knowledge Library.